Hey friends, I want to tell you about the coolest laundry detergent that I have found. I have been on the hunt for a laundry detergent that has ingredients that I feel good about for the longest time. This laundry detergent has pretty great ingredients. It's also very cool, and let me show you why. So the laundry detergent actually looks like a sheet of paper. So you can see here. It has a perforated edge so that if you have a small load, you only need one of it. Or if you need like a large load, you can use one full sheet, half of another sheet. It's very cool that it comes this way. So it's really easy to carry. It dissolves really quickly in water at any temperature. It cleans the clothes really great. This is the fresh linen scent, and it does in fact smell like fresh linen. You cannot go wrong. So let me show you how this works. I have about a medium load here, so I am going to use one full sheet, and I still like to split mine in half. So I put one on one side, one on the other. There's my soap. Close it up, start it, and we are good to go. I highly recommend this detergent.